Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a huge empties video. I'm going to show you things that I've been using up for, God, months I've been building this up. So let's just get straight into it and let's show you what I've used up and whether it's worth your purchase and worth your money. Honey. Of course we have it Got To Be Glued. This is their hairspray, I absolutely love it. I've already got another big one. I've got a small one on the go that's literally about to get used up. So probably should be in this pile to be fair, but I've also used up a small one of that as well. I love it. Best hairspray ever. Like 10 out of 10, would highly recommend. Definitely worth the money because I'm very tight when it comes to like hairspray and stuff. Definitely worth the money. Shower gel, I've used up this LuceStephenson moisture shower cream. This didn't really like, if I'm honest with you. That's why I've like left that little bit left in the bottom, because you know when a shower gel's so slippery it just slips out your hand when you're trying to wash yourself. Like you're trying to like foam up a little bit before you put it on and it's just like, yeah, not a vibe. Going to the opposite end of the spectrum, we have a LMS one, which I actually got on the advent calendar last year, I think. And I kind of basically saved this when I was like having like a more of like a bougie shower, to, like treat myself with my LMS shower gel, because there's no one on this earth that I would ever buy this. I don't even know how much it is, but I just know that I wouldn't pay that price for shower cream. But it was really nice, I must admit. And the smell just lasts a lot longer than like my cheap Aldi little ones. But I can't spend loads of money on a shower gel when I know it's literally just like, once it's on me, it just goes down the drain, like drained. I just don't know. I just can't. I have been trying quite a few different dry shampoos, so there's quite a mix of them in here. First up, we have the LuceStephenson dry shampoo, and this says scalp love on it. I don't know what it's loving, but it wasn't loving my scalp. Really, really, really itchy. Didn't like that at all, would not recommend. I think I bought that from Boots. Next up, I tried the COLLABS one because everyone raves about this. Didn't like this one either, not my cup of tea at all. And then I've also used up this little Percy and Reed one. It looks like this. This is their volumizing dry shampoo. For me, I don't think I like a dry shampoo to do a dry shampoo. I don't want it to be like volumizing dry shampoo. I've got this like in a, I don't know, an advent calendar or something that I've bought. Like I haven't purposely went out and bought this to try. And it just gives you such a weird like texture on your scalp. I don't know how to explain it. Like it just doesn't feel nice. Like it's one of them ones where you just desperately would use it and then know that the next day you're gonna have to wash your hair. Whereas like my Batiste one, I can definitely get like quite a few days, maybe like an extra like 2 days out of my hair with that. Whereas this, it just made me feel weird. Didn't like the feeling of it. However, this shower gel, 10 out of 10. This is definitely like a rip-off. It's very dusty because it's been in here for a while. This is definitely a rip-off of Dove. And oh my God, it's absolutely incredible. And I bought that other LuceStephenson one. I bought that hoping that would be a similar vibe. It's definitely not. This is like creamy. You can feel that it's moisturising your skin, especially for me who, I'm not somebody who will come out of the shower and put moisturiser on, like my body moisturiser on. I am not that kind of person. I'm way too lazy and I hate waiting for things to dry. You know what I'm like with sticky stuff. It's just not a vibe at all. It's not for me. Whereas this feels like you're getting that moisture because it's like a shower cream, but then it's also like a shower gel, so you're washing yourself at the same time. It's unbelievable. And I think I got this from Lidl, and I just never really shop at Lidl, so I've not bought it since, which is why I tried the Aldi one, but it just was not the same. My Stellar water I've used up, of course, my Garnier one. I absolutely love this. I have loads on the go. I've literally just topped up my little dispenser with some more last night. Love, 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 love. I've actually used up a eye mask. I was looking to see if it was in focus or not. This is the Soap and Glory Puffy Under Eye Brightening Hydrogel Patches. I really liked it. Again, I think I got this in the advent calendar. I probably wouldn't pay the price for it, to be honest with you. I've used up quite a few fragrances, actually. Check me out. So I've used up the Revolutionary, which is a dupe. I think this is a dupe for the Via Bell from Lancome. I'm sure that's what it is. The dupe is, that's what it smells like anyway. Used one of them up. I've actually got another one in my bag, a Love Island one, and this is literally about to get used up too. So you'll probably see that in the next empties video. Excuse this jumper, by the way, it's absolutely massive on me. But, oh God, it was a cold day today. Absolutely love that. Love the perfume. I've got the minis. Would repurchase again and again and again. You know what I mean. Another perfume I've been absolutely obsessed with is this JLo one. I used to use this when I was like in year 9. So like you're looking like 2009 that I used to use this. Obsessed with it. I'm waiting for it to go on the sale again. I got this for like £16, £18, and this is the 50ml. I don't know what it is. I just felt mint every time that I wore this. And I walked past somebody in Tesco garage and he was like, "You smell amazing." And I was like, "Thanks." Realising that I actually was wearing this. So we'll definitely be purchasing again. I got this from Boohoo, which is, no, actually, yeah. I don't know if I have my microphone or not, but yeah, I got it from Boohoo. So I'm waiting for it to go and discount again. Another perfume we have is Insolence from Galan, which is very dusty. That is all used up now. Also used up my Jean Paul Gaultier Label. I already have another one of these on the go, and I've also got the Intense version as well. I just love this perfume so much. Not cheap at all, and the Insolence one isn't cheap from Galan, but oh my god, incredible. And it lasts so long as well. Like, you literally need the 1 or 2 spritz and that's it. Another one that I've used up more on the more affordable scale is the Beyonce Heat. I actually don't know what this one's called, but it's the Heat purple one. And I've had that for forever, so I'm really glad that I managed to get through that. Another perfume that I've used up, which was just used as a poo spray. This is the Madonna CC Madame perfume. This was meant to be a dupe for, I think it was meant to be a dupe for Coco Mademoiselle, from whatever it is, from Chanel. But it did not taste like that. It did not smell like that, and it was literally a pound from Home Bargains. So I don't really know what I was expecting, but it was helpful for a poo spray. Another spray that I've used up, and I'm gutted that I've used this up. This is the most used thing, weirdly, that I have from the P. Louise advent calendar. This is the I Still Believe Spray of Magic Body Mist. It smells unbelievable. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells incredible. It must have been like exclusive just for the advent calendar, which is a bit guttering. I've actually used up a few hair products as well. So I've used up a full bottle of the Colour Wow Dream Coat. So that's all gone. Really like that. I've also used up the Moroccan Oil Protect and Prevent Spray for coloured hair. But I actually really like that. I love the smell of it as well. Of course, I was going to say, as if I'm doing an empties video about a Batiste, but I'm not. There's one hidden at the bottom of the tub. And we have a Batiste dry shampoo in Cheeky Cherry. It just looks like this one. Again, it's just, you can't go wrong with Batiste dry shampoo. It's just a classic. It does what I need it to do. Sometimes it's a little bit itchy on my head if I put too much on. I actually have another one on the go that I've just bought before I went to Butlins, because I knew that I'd want to prolong my hair for as long as possible without having to wash it at Butlins. So I've got this one at the moment, which is the original one. Oh, I've actually used up another one of the Revolution body mist. This is the Revolution Noir, which I think is the YSL dupe, Black Opium. Yeah, I can like just still smell it. Again, obsessed. I love the perfume. I love the little sprays. I love the body mist. They're amazing for just shoving in your handbag. Would buy again and again and again. It's actually something that Revolution did really, really well. Like, considering like they branch into so many different areas and different like launches and stuff. I feel like they did the fragrance really, really well. It just didn't get the hype that it actually truly deserved. I've used up quite a few setting sprays, which is quite good for me. So I've used up the Urban Decay All Nighter Honey setting spray, as well as a mini Max Fix Stay Over setting spray. And then I've also used up another Urban Decay All Nighter. I started going through my setting sprays and just being like, I'm going to use one of the minis and use that up and then go into the next one instead of me dibbling dabbling between them all. And obviously you'll know if you watch my makeup collection videos that I did that when I was like decluttering stuff. So I've got like a full drawer to one side of like unopened setting sprays, and then I have my normal makeup collection, the ones that are currently open, to use them ones up first. So it's definitely been working, because that's like, what, 3? Yeah, 3 that I've used up already, which is really good because it's definitely a step I forget all the time. Some other makeup-y stuff that I've used up the Born This Way Too Faced Concealer. I've also used up a Nikki Lily Revolution Lip Oil, a Duo Lash Glue, which I feel like is an accomplishment in itself, the Glaze Lip Oil, which I absolutely love from Rev, and then also a Revolution Brow Glue as well. So yeah, I'm really happy with myself for using all of that up. I also managed to get through a Grow Gorgeous Shine Enhancing Overnight Hair Mask. And then we have a Soap and Glory body wash. Again, I think I got this in the advent calendar, called Fruity. I've used up this I don't even say that. But this is their Fruity body cleanser. It has like literally the tiniest bit in the bottom. And then last but not least, I also used up a face mask, which is like a Lion King one from Mad Beauty. So that is everything that I've used up over the last few months. I'm actually really proud of the amount of things that I've managed to get through, especially the makeup bits. And I think now that I'm kind of going through my collection and really focusing on what I'm keeping and kind of working my way through things, hopefully we're going to have more and more makeup used up in these empties videos. But I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if there's ways that I can improve these kind of videos, because I do love doing empties, but I'm just conscious that obviously it might be a little bit repetitive, or there's ways that I can jazz it up. Please let me know. I don't think I've mentioned this one. I think I've put that to one side without realising. But I've also used up an Elemis Pore Collagen Night Cream. It's like a 15ml one. I'm literally about to use up a Pixie Spot Cream as well. But yeah, I'm trying to gradually get through things and trying to like make my room just a bit more like less overwhelming, basically. That's what I'm trying to make it, less overwhelming. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what videos you would like me to do, and I'll hopefully see you on Wednesday and Sundays for a brand new video. Thank you so much. Love you so much. Bye.